Please stand for the pledge. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may be seated.
And happy Friday. One more week to check off your list in the 180 days that you attend school. We are right at the 100th day mark. So just a couple of announcements for you. First of all, I want to celebrate and showcase 7th grade and 8th grade. 7th grade and 8th grade, we took a look at your reading scores, how you scored on the STAR test. I'm going to be showing Mrs. Jimenez and the media team the actual chart that we can upload on these morning announcements so that you can see for yourself. And of all of the gains that were made in all the grade levels, 7th grade, you came in first place with the greatest gain on your STAR score. Over 30% of you are now at MET. And 8th grade, you are right there, a close second place with the highest advancement in your STAR score. 6th grade, you have some work to do. Your scores were a bit far from 7th and 8th grade. So we hope it's because it's your first year and you're still getting accustomed to how fast or faster middle school can be. But 7th and 8th grade, you are amazing. You really, really blew that test out of the water and have excellent, excellent scores. Like I said, I hope that the chart can be shown to you during these announcements. Congratulations on your STAR scores. LPAC, many of you that are in ELD, learning English as a second language, will be taking the LPAC. I went in detail last time about what that means. If you're a student that only speaks English and you find yourself in an ELD class, you need to know what you need to pass that LPAC. What does it matter, Dr. Salas? Who cares if I pass it or not? Well, if you like your elective to be something different than ELD, it should matter. If you only know English or your English is stronger than your other language, it should matter. So the LPAC is not as hard as the STAR test. So make sure that you are doing your best when you get called to take that test, which is happening very, very soon. There are 20 of you in middle school that only need to pass the STAR test in order for you to be reclassified or exited out. So make sure that you know what you scored on the STAR test, because you may not have to take the LPAC again. If you reclassify before the LPAC, you don't have to take the test ever again. If you're taking the LPAC and you don't pass it, you're going to expect to take that test year after year after year, even in high school, year after year until you pass it. So if you need the help, we're ready for you. But if you don't need the help and you're not trying, understand how important that LPAC test is, and it's coming up soon. Today is Free Dress Day. Free Dress Day means that no one will be sent to 404 for uniform violation. You can wear whatever you want to wear here within the dress code. Dress code means that you do not show your midriff, that you do not have excessively baggy pants. 2 sizes or larger is excessively baggy. But other than that, you can wear your graphic tees, you can wear any free dress clothing that you prefer on Fridays, every Friday. Okay, that is it. The last thing I wanted to mention is that remember TK5, if you're playing soccer, 1st through 5th grade, you have a soccer field assigned to you. But on Fridays, it's first come, first serve. So Fridays, the fields are open to the first group of soccer players that get there. Okay, that's it. See you next week.